everyone, I am working as a nursing officer in NSICU. Right? So the topic that we have selected for the patient safety day is needle stick injury. So starting with the definition, it is a sharp injury that can occur in any hospital setting and causes a break in the integrity of the skin and further problems, right? So what to do when you have a needle stick injury? Number one, remove the gloves, wash your hands with plenty of water. What you're not supposed to do is you don't have to suck the blood from the needle stick injury site. Number two, you do not have to scrub the site of the injury. Next thing that you are supposed to do is to inform the sister in charge or the counter staff, whoever is there in the hospital setup at that time. Right? Then you have to write an incident report. Following that, you have to visit the EM3 ward. From there, you have to consult the CMO who will give you the PEP, which is the post exposure prophylaxis. And the further management of the PEP will be done in the ART clinics, right? So what is the contact number of EM3? That is there in AIIMS New Delhi. It is 011 265 94810, right? So you have to contact the CMO and report this incident without any ignorance. Next is what you have to do in addition to that. You should know the source of the biomedical waste. The BMW should be tracked well so that you should know the vaccination status of the source and the affected individual. Like the sources can be vaccinated, can be non-vaccinated, or can be in the undergoing process of the vaccination. Everything has to be taken into the consideration. So now the prevention of the needle stick injury. Needle stick injury is a preventable thing, right? So how can you prevent it? Number one, never recap the used needles, right? So if you recap, you are increasing the risk of the needle stick injury. Number two, you have to use a puncture-proof white container that we use in our hospital, right? Number three, always replace the puncture-proof container when it is 3/4 fit, right? Always keep a track on the proper handling of the biomedical waste, its segregation and its management to safeguard yourself from the needle stick injury. I hope this video will be informational for you all. Thank you.